World Environment Day is a day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the protection of the environment. And this day falls on 5th of June every year. Now, let us try to understand the meaning, the purpose and the necessity of World Environment Day. This natural environment is the outcome of millions and millions and millions years of its existence, and is influenced by the entire cosmos, the luminary objects, the stars, the sun and the moon, and is blessed by the 4 seasons: summer, winter, spring and autumn, and is supported and graced by the mountains, the valleys, the forests, the ponds, the lakes, the rivers, the ocean and the desert. We are sitting, standing and walking on the surface of this earth because of gravitational force. The natural forces and the natural laws influences and balances the environment. The entire plant kingdom, from the very small fungus to the tallest trees, are engaged in producing oxygen, grains, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, so on and on and on, and are instrumental in preserving, maintaining and nourishing the nature. We know there are millions and millions of species of creatures in this planet. The entire living creatures, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales and elephants, are always in action. They are never idle or lazy and are engaged in the activity of preserving, maintaining and nourishing the nature. If all the bees die and extinct from this planet, the entire human beings will vanish from the surface of this earth within 30 or 40 years due to lack of food, because these insects and bees are instrumental for cross pollination and thereby for the production of seeds, fruits, nuts, and thus for the existence of the plant kingdom. When we look around, we can see the role and action of the natural phenomenon, the natural laws, natural force, the plant kingdom, the living kingdom, in preserving, maintaining and nourishing the nature. The human life is not possible without them. Are we not adapted towards the entire nature and the environment? Yes, surely. We can see some of the birds and animals migrate from one continent to another, yet they do not pollute the environment. We, the human beings, are the only creatures, only species troubling, disturbing and distracting the nature and the environment. And the humanity has crossed all its limits. So the United Nations organization is warning us and asking us to observe World Environment Day. Let us try to pay back our debt to the nature, to the environment, to all the living creatures and the plants by a way of worshipping them, by paying homage to them. Let us not pollute the nature. Let us not throw waste, unwanted thing and plastic into the mountain, into the valley, into the forest, into the pond, river, ocean, to the public place, etc. Let us try to see them, behave them with great respect, with great gratitude, with love and compassion. Let us plant saplings of the trees. Please provide water, food and shelter to the living creatures. By all this way, we can try to pay back our debt towards the entire nature, the plant and the living kingdom, which we are accumulating day by day. This is the meaning. This is the purpose. And this is the necessity of observing World Environment